until in the soil.
Da, 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 da.
3 beds mulched with dry leaves and banana leaves for the pathway. Cowpeas planted in the 2 end beds, all in that bed and all in that bed. And in the middle, we have Daikon Radish with banana stalk planters, all planted in the middle bed. Let's see how it does. Here we are months later.
Here we are months later.
And we got cowpeas.
We got cowpeas
Galore all down these beds. And here's this big Daikon radish that Celia's gonna pull up.
Oh God.
Ooh, it looks pretty big.
Oh, there's more down there.
Pretty big Daikon radish.